I'm at the smoke alarm section right now. P37B. I have one of these. It's the COB3. Mine's just in the gray color. Another I-9010, but it's ripped open. The P3010KCL, P3010CU, which is on sale. The KNKP, formerly the CP9000. The KNCO from XCRBA. Right next to it, its sister, the KNCO from BA. The I-9070, more I-9070s. An I-9010 down there. It looks like it just came out of the box. I-9040s, these were originally called the 0914. Fun fact. I-9010s is a 3-pack. The COB DP 10YL, and this is the 10Y8s, no 10YBs yet. KNCOBIC, I have one of these. HC135F, I have one of those. KNCOBD3, I don't have one, but I do know it's almost the same as the KNCOBG3, and radon detector. That's nothing to do with this video. There's these ones up here. That's a P4010 DCSCO. That's the most protect. This is the P4010 DCSW value pack. Here it is. This is right under that 99010 I showed you. Some I4618s. Lots of the older 4-packs left. I-12060A. Some older ones left. More of them. Another one of those 3-packs. P12040. I-12010S. 2 of them. Yeah. P4010 DCSW. ACS. Also mixed up. P4010 ACS COW. P4010 ACS CO, which doesn't seem to be here at the moment. Or am I just mixed up? Let's check. Yeah. It is. They don't have them at the moment. I think that's where it's behind. P4010 ACSW. Looks like the MIC1509S, MI106S, fire extinguishers, escape ladder, first alert Tundra. Looks like a fire extinguisher on sale for $10. There's the Canco by C standard one for the 3-pack. The 2-pack is on. Let's see. Also selling these adapter plugs for $4.50. This isn't bad. Also, P905 LP2, KNCOB LP2. I think that's the KNCOB LP. More KNCOB LP2s and I-9010s. P3010L value pack. Some full stock. Alright. Bless you. Alright. C3010D, C3010, a 6-pack of the same 905 LP2, KNCO BL2. I know. P9050. Not bad. Alright. Hope you like this nice quick, this nice long video. Bye. Also, here's the first series.